Okay. The coil's been replaced with the Pertronix fire thrower 3-ohm coil instead of the 1.5, just so you know that it's right there. And I've got the positive and the negative leads coming off of the new electronic ignition from the igniter in the distributor cap over to the positive and minus side of the coil. I've removed the leads that went to the old electronic, just the Opus Electronic ignition, and that's the gray-white cable. It comes into this harness and into this plug, which did go into the amplifier module underneath into the distributor, but that's no longer needed. The drive resistor, I just disconnected it. It's right here. It had a, this just is a loop back from inside the drive, I'm sorry, inside of the amplifier module, tagged on the side of that distributor, the 45DE4 distributor. So that's no longer needed. I just left them off length. Now we're going to fire it off and see if that did anything. See if I get spark. Got new a new water pump on. Got a new thermostat so water needs to circulate. But more importantly, I've got a new electronic ignition system, and yeah, really hopeful that that's going to be the cat's meow. Just plugging up the battery. We'll need to fix this piece here. Alright. Should have some juice. Alright, everything connected. Here we go. That was it. Purrs like a kitten. That was so exciting. Now we just got to get brakes on.